Good morning, this is Zachary from Zachary Sweeps. I hope you're all well this morning. We're on a mission. Apparently something is behind this fireplace. We shall see. So let's see. Right, look what we've got here. Look what's in the chimney.
It's alright, darling.
So here you are. So I'm going to go and get him let go. Come on fella, it's alright. Let's put you up there so you can go back to your mum. Go on. It's alright, just chill. Just relax. It's alright, Oh, it's alright. Go on, that's it. You get yourself done, yeah. Get yourself going. You bit me a few times. But at least he's alright. Very awkward to get my hand into the back of that fireplace. But it looks like his wings are all alright.
Shall I get a bowl of water for him?
You could do, so yeah. I think it does look like a baby seagull, doesn't it?
Yeah. It looks like a mother seagull, but does.
I mean, like, well, when you look at the big white ones, they're massive, aren't they? But I think he's just going to go and hide out for now. We just got to keep an eye on him. Come on. I'm just more worried about cats getting hold of him. Let's see if we can get you out of here, because I don't want any cats getting you. Come on. Come on, have it go. On, chew. Come on. So you would have to go here, wouldn't you? Go on, up you go, go on. Up there. Oh, come on. That's it, come on. You can't hide away. Just got to think about the cats. That's it, come on. That's him on the road. Come on. We have. Come on. Trying to get him to fly. Just come out of a chimney. Really? Yeah, it's a bit all bedraggled, but it was hiding in a corner. But I'm worried about leaving him with cats around and stuff like that.
Very young, I don't know, can it fly?
Yeah, it's. But I'm hoping they see this seagull up here watching him. So I'm hoping they'll take over in a minute. Come on, that's it. Call your buddies. Come on. Go on. Off you go. Go down there. That's it now. We've come down to Brighton this morning to rescue this bird out of this chimney. And there it is. And the seagulls are watching it now, so I'm happy about that now. It seems all very bedraggled, but hopefully it'll be alright. Have a lovely day from Zachary Sweeps.